So I wanted to show you what tempeh was in case you're all freaking out and you're not used to it. So this is what I buy. This is the one I like. It's the original one. What is tempeh? It comes in a packet. I'm just going to open it up. Tempeh is a fermented soybean, a bit like tofu, quite firm, absorbs lots of flavours, which is why we're using the ginger and the garlic and some tamari. You can slice it in any shape you like, so have fun with it. You can slice it into cubes, you can slice it into triangles, slices, moon shapes, and that's really just individual how you like to eat. We all are different with textures and shapes and flavours, so have some fun with it and cut it how you would like. So I've just cut mine into 4 here, and then I'm going to put mine into chunks so you can see it like this, and again I'm going to cut some into moon shapes just so you can see different texture, holds different consistencies, it absorbs the flavour slightly differently. So these are half moon shapes. I quite like them like that on a big salad. I quite like them like this because they crisp up quite quickly as well, but there really is no right and wrong. So that's what you do at the beginning, and then we're going to put them in a pan and build in some flavour. You need to get this microblade grater. It's a huge use for them in the kitchen, especially if you're cooking from fresh lots and making lots of fresh sauces. They're just brilliant. They go in the dishwasher. You can get them from most supermarkets. Really good idea. So we're going to take some garlic and grate that in. I've got 3. I know the recipe doesn't say 3, but mine was saying sort of had better days and they're a bit skinny. So, you know, there's no right or wrong really. My recipes are super versatile. If you really love garlic, just use more garlic. I just wanted to make recipes that had balance, but if you like one flavour slightly stronger than the other, then that's fine. Then you want some fresh ginger. Again, we're just going to grate that in with the garlic about 1 inch or 2. So it comes like this. I'm just going to scrape it in for ease. So we've got ginger and garlic in the bowl. We're going to use it. I've got white miso today. Literally just like half a teaspoon is going in. And this is tamari, gluten-free soy. I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of soy. Follow the recipe. I'm a disaster for following recipes. And we're going to add a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. If you need to loosen it and you want a more saucier texture, then just add a little bit of water, hot water. You're going to put it in a pan, and that's what it looks like. It looks like a little marinade. I've got quite chunky ones, so I might put some hot water in. So I'll put some water in and I'm just whizzing it and mixing it all up. It smells amazing. And tempeh just really takes on these flavours. We're going to make a dressing for the salad as well. You can just fry tempeh as it is with just a bit of olive oil. You don't need to dress it in lots of flavours. So just so I can show you, I'm plonking all my bits in. And then I mix them all up. Nice and easy, nice and quick. No, nothing exciting. You can't leave this to soak for too long, otherwise the tempeh just disintegrates. So up to an hour if you want to. You could do this in the morning if you had extra time, or at lunchtime, and then stick it in the fridge and then do it. It's up to you. It's just a nice way to marinate it. If you don't want to marinate it and you just want to use this salad dressing that I've put in the recipe, that's absolutely fine too. Just do that. They're just showing you different ways. I don't want you to think about buying a jar of miso or buying a whole thing of tamari or buying a huge fresh ginger and you're not using it. So I'm just showing you different ways that you can add in flavour, and everything about this is all about adding in more, not taking away, but adding the right things in, adding things that are fresh, that are gut friendly, that are anti-inflammatory, and that are really just supporting your health and supporting your mindful choices and your mindful nutrition to get the best out of you, to feel your best, especially with summer ahead. So the other thing you need is a really good non-stick pan. It's really essential. If you've got one that's really old, just invest in a new one. You really need to update pan, making sure they're always non-stick. It is your best friend through this. We're doing lots of things with a non-stick pan, so invest in one if you haven't already. Right, all we're going to do is add like a teaspoon to the bottom of the pan of oil. When it heats up, we're just going to spoon in. I'm not going to add the sauce straight away because it will burn quite quickly, so I'm just going to spoon in the tempeh. So it's all in the pan for you, and it's cooking away. And we're just going to let those crisp up, and I will show you what it looks like. But you crisp it up on each side, takes a couple of minutes, and we're done. So my tempeh's in, sizzling away, and I will turn it in a few minutes. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm not moving it around, I'm just letting it do its thing, and eventually I will turn it over and do the other side. So you can see they're all crisping up really nicely. They don't take too long. Doesn't matter if there's some charred bits on the side, that will give you extra flavour. And we're just doing the other side now. So keep going. Hopefully yours look the same, or maybe even better. While that's cooking, you're going to make a salad. You just slice up all the ingredients. I've got some homemade sprouting bean sprouts here, but you can just buy yours, it's fine. If you want to learn how to do it, let me know and I'll show you. We've got a nice big plate of salad here, and we're going to make a quick dressing. No, wrong one. Dressing with our olive oil. And you will need some apple cider vinegar. I use this brand, Willie's. I really like it. Really flavourful, really delicious. And then I'm going to add in the rest of my marinade. So it's the same recipe as the one that you have, but I've just done it kind of a slightly different way, just because it makes a really nice Asian style salad dressing, much more runnier. Smells really nice. You can smell the apple cider vinegar, really good for our gut. And I am going to drizzle it all over my salad. And I'm going to save a little tiny bit here for the top of the tempeh, so I'm just going to check if it's ready. Well, I think mine's ready. That's what it looks like. I'm going to place mine all around so you can see it all. Smells yummy. Got all those charred bits on there, it's really good. Turn the gas off. I always forget to turn the gas off. My family go mad for it. And then I'm just going to drizzle the rest over the tempeh. I think it makes it really nice to have that difference between hot and cold with the warm tempeh and the cold salad. But also I think the cold dressing over the top just lifts everything as well. You could add some more sprouting if you want to. But I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to make a delicious ginger and garlic tempeh salad, Asian salad. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know how you're getting on. I'm doing it alongside with you, so see you soon.